Hi, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I would like to talk to you about the advantages of doing floating flower arrangements through the cool season. I've been getting a ton of questions about if I'm bringing my pots inside. The answer is absolutely not. With cooler temperatures on the horizon, I'm guaranteed that my floating flower arrangements will last even longer. You see, when temperatures are over 50, the plant material starts to break down in the water. On those days where we were over 70 degrees, I was having to replenish my floating flower arrangements every single day. This is precisely why I don't do floating flower arrangements during the warm season. However, with temperatures coming to be below freezing, my floating flowers can last up to 2 weeks with these cooler temperatures. One of the critical things about floating flowers through the winter is to make sure that you're using plastic containers. Plastic won't break even if we have contraction and expansion from ice forming in the water. If you're using glass or ceramic containers, those will either need to be emptied or brought indoors when temperatures go below 32 degrees to make sure that they don't shatter. I encourage you to invest a few dollars in a plastic container with no holes and look at your garden in a completely different place. This is a wonderful relaxation exercise that enables me to be creative and fully take advantage of all of the things that are blooming here in the middle of January.